with this preamble of the computer fundamental and programming fundamental, will start our last session of the bridge course under the programming fundamental. Now today we are yesterday only we have discussed about the Microsoft Office tool. That's the basic Microsoft Office tools we have discussed. Now today we will see some of them in detail. It's not possible for in a given time period to visit all that thing, but I will request all of you to please go through all that tools again and again. It's not a thing that because as I have to, we have discussed in yesterday's session, by just applying your MS Office tool efficiently and 100%, देर इज नो नीड ऑफ ईआरपी एज सच. अगर आपने वो सब लाइसेंस कॉपी ली और उसके थ्रू आपने इफिशिएंटली उसको अप्लाई किया, तो उसमें कौन सी भी अलग से ईआरपी उस कंपनी को डेवलप करने की कोई भी जरूरत होती नहीं. बट द ओनली थिंग यू नो ऑल दैट थिंग्स विल इन एडवांस एंड विल effectively so that you can apply that. So today we are going to see the Excel. Then what do you mean by the Excel sheet? That the creating Excel sheet, then the resizing rows and column, that all are you know. Then what is the file name extension? It's a XLS or into XLSX with respect to the 2010 onwards. Now, why spreadsheet is there? It is a computer equivalent of the paper ledger sheet, as you are seeing on your screen. That if you are doing any particular paper, any calculation on the paper, then that might be like this. On using computer or Excel, you can do in a row column format. It is a basically a file with the row column format. We will do the some calculations can be done, and computer can do that calculation automatically by using the formula bar of the Excel. These are the basic spread of the any spreadsheet of the Excel. That's column, rows, columns, and their intersection as called as cells. Then you can store the data in various format, like data can be in under text format, labels or number data, constant formulas can be used. This is basically the structure of any workbook. Any under any single workbook, there are many sheets. Number of sheets can be there. By default, there will be the 3 sheets. Then what types of data you can store? You can type the three basic types of data. That is a label, the text with no numerical value, constant, just a number that is like this. These are the constant. And formulas means some data is coming is a some data is coming as a result of applying formula. That is the formulas. There is a separate formula bar under the Excel. Then spreadsheet have the mini math function can be applied. Operations like basic operation, mathematical operations like multiplication, division, addition can be applied. You have to always give the plus sign, equal to sign before applying to the particular cell. This is a cell reference A1 into B. Now, why I'm not showing you? Because that is something practical when you will meet in a person. There are some practical sessions to be assigned for the every subject. At that time, we will see at particularly at the lab how to apply the operations. Then the selecting cells, you have to give the reference of that cell as like this is a reference A3, B2, A2. These are the reference as like given. This is suppose the C column and we share C2, then C, and then particularly row number 2. That will be the C2 cell as a reference. Then this is the example of sums equal to B2 to B8, that we all will be equivalent and that all will be sum up, and answer will be given. That sum is a predefined default operation function available under the Excel. There are also other functions are available, mathematical functions, basic mathematical functions like average, max, mean, count, count A, which returns the number of empty cells under the given range. जो अगर आपने कोई रेंज सिलेक्ट की तो उसमें कितने नंबर ऑफ एम्प्टी सेल्स है वो आपको बताएगा. These are the some mathematical functions, statistical functions possible using the Excel thing. Okay, using that other things also. If we wish to do the some kind of programming, then we can use the if or conditional functions under the Excel also, as like we are using it in any other programming language. It's also possible to use the programming or conditional functions under the Excel also. The format is like this: if given a bracket B2, that is a cell reference, is greater than a given number, then yes or no. That's how we can use the conditional programming functions also under the particularly our Excel, or these are also called as a logical functions that can be NOR or. Excel itself has a very large and vast number of functions range. You can also use the graphical representation using Excel. We can insert number of types of chart. This is a pie chart. Then we can use some of the bar charts also. Some other types of charts are also possible, like the star chart or 3D charts are also there under the Excel. We can use that by giving the cell references. We can use the inter program or inter platform intra-platform copy-paste function under the Microsoft Office, like pasting some data from Word to PowerPoint or vice versa is always possible. PowerPoint, now we will see the some basic things or brief nutshell points with respect to the PowerPoint presentation. This is basically used for the purpose of what we can say the presentation means when we are giving some kind of information to the another party, to the front party, then we use the PowerPoint presentation. We can have the .ppt extension for that PowerPoint presentation. There can be number of slides under the single PowerPoint presentation. We can move from slide to slide, that is called as a slide transition. And we can also apply some kind of, we can say the what we can say operations on that slide, that how that slide will become, or some kind of moving operation, so that that can be moved automatically or on the depending on the some kind of mouse click. If suppose the user is doing click, then only slide will transit, or automatically by default time range slide will transit. That is also possible. We can attach the audio video to the presentation slide. We can merge with the audio video. We can imbibe audio video on the presentation slide, and that can be like a audio visual presentation ready for that purpose. Under the Microsoft PowerPoint also, there are number of templates possible. Ready templates are there for the purpose of presentation compilation. We can use that presentation compilation. By default, it will be a blank presentation. Then in the what are the tools in the Microsoft PowerPoint? There will be the some views like file views or other views, slide sorter or notes page, like that views will be there. Then outline view, slide view, and slide sorter means number of slides will be displayed. Inserting slides and text using insert or using some picture bar. You can insert the text also. Toolbar using insert. Inserting images is also possible. You can insert the user defined images or the clip art. Clip art, as predefined clip arts are always coming along with the PowerPoint. Formatting your background, you can format your background appropriately with respect to the as per the user requirement. That might be any particular color, that might be any particular image, and we can apply that from one to all slides. We can apply the same background for all slides. That is also possible by using single click. We can add the graph. We can copy the graph as it is from the Excel to the PowerPoint, and copy and paste operation are also possible. Like this graph can be added to the particularly to the PowerPoint presentation right from the Excel. Then the Microsoft Word, opening file, all of us know that the file, edit, view are like menus are there. So this is something with respect to the MS Office PowerPoint presentation, Excel, Word spreadsheet, and Word. And these are some of the, I already shared this PPT and PDF files at our Google Classroom. Those who have not yet able to join the Google Classroom, please contact to the department. Please place your queries on the our WhatsApp group, so that we can sort them out and you will be able to join the your classroom. There are number of study material are being made available by the subject faculties. We are requesting you to please go through that study material. These are the some extra reading available for you on internet. You can go through that. We'll go to the another one PDF file. This is also available on our Google Classroom. I will just fast forward through this PDF file. Mark your attendance, those who are latecomers, जो बाद में join हुए. Okay, MS Office, this is the MS Word interface available. You can see home, insert, debug, like menus are there. Let me increase the size. Yes. Is it visible to all of us? आप सबको ये visible है?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So this is the document view. That's how MS Word is their spreadsheet is an interactive computer application. Who is this newly joined user.phone? Hello. Users iPhone. कौन है ये? Hello. I will remove you. Please rename yourself to your proper name. Otherwise, I will remove you. I have declined your request many times, but again you are joining session with the same name. Who was that? Remember, these are the some of the online etiquettes to be followed. अगर आप आगे जाकर IT कंपनी में काम करने वाले हैं तो you should knew all this. Okay, this is the Excel view for you. All of us knew, that's why I'm just fast forwarding it, because by 9:45 onwards you have to join our next session of our guest session by Pratik Patil sir. This is the Excel toolbar and file bar, file menu for you. This is PowerPoint. As it is being shown that number of templates are also there. Ready-made templates, clipart is also there. We can attach the notes of speaker to the PowerPoint slide so that you will be able to give the notes as like you, that is, this is the blank slide. You can arrange the blank slide accordingly your as per your customized specification. We can also have the some kind of hyperlink possible. Hyperlink means what? A link to the particular web resource. That might not be always the website. It may be any web page, it may be any Google Drive, it may be any file stored online on any cloud purpose or any other web resources. That is a web resource. Okay. Hyperlink does not always to the any particular website. It might be any other thing which is available online. Header is there. Number of views are possible under the PowerPoint. Slide sorter view, where you can see all the slides at a time. Outline view, master's view, presenter's view. Reading means you can read out your presentation. Handout means just converting your presentation to the brochure purpose. which can be distributed to the audience. These are some of the keyboard shortcuts available under the MS Office PowerPoint and Excel chart. Okay, I think as this file is being available online, you may go through that. It's always available on your Google Classroom. There is a one request to all of you that जो भी Google Classroom है, के ऊपर जितने भी study material आ रहे हैं, you please download them to your local drive so that they will be available you offline and you can go through at any time, and there will be no need to again and again revisit the Google Classroom. All other assignments will always be available online only through the Google Classroom. So be the regular visitor to the Google Classroom. At least daily once you have to visit your Google Classroom, and whatever the assignments and study materials are there, they will be useful to you. That is number one. Number two, you will be having one open subject. Two open subjects will be there. Out of that, one open subject will be taken by myself with respect to the Google Classroom handling. That is a G Suite subject, which is very much useful to you for your career while dealing with the online data management or online file management. जो भी आप लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है उसके साथ डील करते हो, आपको बेनिफिशियल होगा. The yesterday only one person has asked on the group that when the bridge course exam will be there. The exam of the programming fundamental, that's a subject or bridge course topic took by me. It will be held on 18th or 20th of next week. 18 या 20 तारीख को ऑनलाइन होगी वो, और through the Google Classroom or a Textmos like software it will be online. Moreover, it will be the 15 marks and 30 multiple choice questions will be there. Each question will carry the half mark, and total time allotted will be the 1 hour or 30 minutes as per the university specification. That time will be allotted, and it will be like a MCQ. So please go through the study material very carefully on given classroom and topic so that you will be prepared accordingly. Okay, with this being our next session is the our classroom public session, public resource. Pratik Patil sir is coming, so I will just concluding our session 5 minutes earlier, so that you will be able to join to that new link that will be provided to you on our Google Classroom as well as our WhatsApp group. It's a kind request. It's already being provided. Though the time is given the 10 a.m., please join to the session at least 10 minutes before, so that as like yesterday, there will be no technical hindrance and session will be conducted very smoothly. Those who have not yet marked their attendance, please mark your attendance. जो लेटकमर हैं, there are many faces today. Online at least है कि जो आज पहले बार आ रहे. ऋषिकेश मोरे, are you joining the session very first time? Mark your attendance. Okay. I will just concluding the session. Wish you all the best for your bridge course exam, and we are waiting for you at our in-person session, which are going to start from Monday, and 8 a.m. will be your reporting timing. And from the first day only, your all full-fledged session will be held. So please be regular at your as per your timetable, and be attentive. Don't be only physical, give only the physical attendance. Okay, give the academic attendance, that is more required. Okay, yeah, I'm you all.